Okay, hello. Glad to have you with us here. Just wanted to take a real quick minute to show you something that if you are a business owner or an entrepreneur or you have a website, this will be really important and really valuable to you. You may not know about it now, but let's just go over here and we'll start. And let me go here and get it going where it needs to be. There we go. Let's make sure it's showing up. Yep, there it is. Okay. Attention, extremely urgent. All owners of a website, especially business owners and entrepreneurs. Do you have the money for a government trial? Have you ever heard of the Americans with Disabilities Act, the ADA? It's not just for brick and mortar businesses. It applies to online businesses as well. And since 99.9% of all websites are non-ADA compliant, this means you're probably vulnerable to unscrupulous, shady legal attacks. And it's not a matter of if, it's only a matter of when. Running a business can be extremely rewarding, and often it's very tough because of all the hoops a business owner must go through or jump through to comply with all the government regulations. There is one area that you as a business owner may not be aware of that leaves you vulnerable to lawsuits that can cripple your business. It's it is easily preventable and we can fix it for you very fast and inexpensively. The question is your website ADA compliant or non-ADA compliant? Don't leave yourself and your company defenseless. Let's work to save you the time, energy, and money and hassle of worrying about having to battle this out in court and losing big time. First, let's find out if your website is vulnerable. Our team is currently doing a free analysis of your site to find all the areas that can put you in danger with the ADA. We can send you your report, then we can go over it and talk about how to solve this quickly. Let me just get in here and change this because it should be a period there. Yep. Uh, we can send you your report and then we can go over it and talk about it real quickly and solve the problem. All right. To get your free analysis at no charge, contact us with your name, your website, email, and phone through either moremonthlybusiness.com or you can send it to my email address, docresults@gmail.com. And what we'll do is, I'll have our team uh, check out your website, make you a report, send it to you, and we'll talk about it and show you how to correct that. So thank you. That was a really quick. Let's just go over here and go here. So now, folks, I hope that you enjoyed this little presentation, and we look forward to seeing you and working with you and helping you with this. So please get this out to all the business owners that you know, so they don't want to have to go through the hassle and the expense, because I don't have the money laying around to go through a government battle with a government battle in court, and probably most of you don't either. So thank you very much. Contact us and let us help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And thank you, and let's end the broadcast.